Hi, I'm Ellie from Genii. I'm here to get you started with the Motorola Defy XT. I'll guide you through the setup basics and show you how to personalise it to suit your needs. Whether it's a downpour or a pocket full of coins, the Motorola Defy XT is ready for whatever your busy day throws at it. It's scratch resistant, water resistant and dust proof too. And with its large capacity battery, you'll always be ready for business. We'll take a look at what's in the box shortly, but first, make sure you have saved your contacts from your old phone onto your SIM, so that they are immediately available once you've powered up. Your Defy XT comes with an AC charger, USB cable, 2GB micro SD card, headset and user guide. To get started, remove the back, insert the SIM, then your battery. Now replace the cover and lock it so it's extra secure. Press and hold the power button until the screen comes to life. Once powered up, you'll be taken through the setup wizard. This is easy to follow and takes just a few minutes. Your Defy XT will ask you to touch the Android. The first thing to set up is your Google account. Doing this now means you'll have quick access to the Play Store once setup is complete. Create, sign into or skip this step to continue. Next, you'll be asked to set up Google Location Services. This gives applications your approximate location without having to use GPS. We'll continue with the default options ticked, but you can change all of these settings at any time after setup. Next, you'll need to read and agree to the Motorola Terms of Service, then tap Next. The home screen will now appear. That's your Defy XT all set up. You're now ready to start personalising it to suit your needs. I'll explain some of the standard phone features to get you started. To lock the display, press the power button on the device briefly. The screen will go dark, which means it's in standby mode. You can do this while in any active screen. To unlock the device, press and hold the lock icon, then swipe up. This will display the main home screen. You can get quick access to applications like email from the lock screen by pressing and holding your chosen app, then swiping towards the lock icon. While we're here, for extra security, we recommend that you create a passcode lock. It needs to be one you can easily remember, but not something people can easily guess. On the Defy XT, your passcode can be a pattern, PIN, or password. These options are easy to set up. Just tap the menu button on the outer frame of your screen. Now tap Settings, then Location and Security, then Set up Screen Lock. Select the lock option you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. To return to the home screen at any time, tap the Home button. To select an icon or choose an option on the screen, just tap on it. To go back a step at any point, tap the Back button. Your Defy XT has multiple home screens, so there's plenty of room to display all your apps and widgets. To navigate between these screens, swipe your finger side to side. At the bottom of the screen, there's a scroll bar that shows you what screen you're in. Tapping the Home button while you're on the main home screen brings up all your available home screens. Tapping the plus sign adds additional home screens. You can delete home screens by long pressing on one and dragging it to the rubbish bin. Now we'll get the communication basics covered, sending text messages and making calls. To send a text message, tap the message icon on the home screen, then tap New Message. Start typing in the name of your recipient and options from your list of contacts will pop up for you to select. Now tap Type to compose. You can turn the phone sideways to bring up a bigger keyboard. Using the swipe function to enter words will activate the dictionary. If you're not familiar with this function, long press on the swipe key to do a quick tutorial. When you've finished your message, tap Send. To make a call, just press the green call icon on your home screen, then either enter the number manually and tap the green call button, or tap the contacts icon and browse your saved numbers. The notification bar at the top of the screen alerts you to all the latest happenings on your Defy XT, like receiving appointment reminders, missed calls, text messages and emails. To view notifications, swipe your finger down from the top of the display to the bottom. To see the details of a notification, just tap on one and you'll see a screen telling you more about that notification. Pressing back takes you to the home screen again. If you want to clear the remaining notifications without having to go through them individually, just tap on the clear icon above the notifications. Next, we'll take a quick look at personalizing the screens. Your Defy XT allows you to customize many things: backgrounds, ringtones, and icon placement, to name a few. The screen has two types of icons: app icons and widgets. App icons will launch a desired application, like your email, when you tap on them. Widgets are animated icons that display live information, like the weather, giving you at-a-glance information on the go. Let's add a widget first. Navigate to the home screen you wish to modify, then long press on an empty area of the screen. From here, you can add a Motorola or Android widget. Tap one, then scroll through and select the widget you want. It will now be placed on your chosen home screen. To add a new app icon to your home screen, tap the Apps icon, then long press on your chosen app. You can either add to home or add to group. Adding to home makes it available to place on your chosen home screen. Adding to group lets you organize your apps into categories, for instance, games. Back on the home screen, you can move any app icon or widget around by long pressing and then releasing your finger when it's in the spot you want. You can remove app icons or widgets by long pressing again, then dragging them to the rubbish bin. To change the backdrop shown on the home screens, just long press on an empty area of the home screen and choose Wallpapers. Select a gallery, then browse the options and tap Set Wallpaper when you find one you like. Google Play is where you can find a wealth of applications to increase productivity or enhance your free time. Here you can find almost anything, from social and business networking through to life planning and navigation. From the home screen, just tap on the Play Store icon, then tap Continue. The first time you enter, you'll be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Once in, browse through the categories or type the app you're after into the search bar. Tap on your chosen app for more information and to download. If you plan to take your Defy XT overseas, it's a good idea to download the Telecom Roaming app. It's a great free tool that helps you manage data costs while you're overseas. You can even put a data smart cap in place, so when you reach your chosen spend limit, data usage will stop. Free alerts will tell you how your usage is going too. To download the Telecom Roaming app, just tap Install. Once complete, launch the app from your home screen, accept the terms, then tap More and then Data Smart Caps to set a limit on data roaming spend. Tap the link, then on the next screen, tap Change to adjust your cap. Next, we'll look at web access and email. To browse the internet from your home screen, either type directly into the Google search bar or tap the browser icon to launch Yahoo T-World for news, services and entertainment. We added Google Mail during setup, but now's the time to add in other accounts, like corporate Exchange email and social media accounts. Before you set up Exchange email, you will need the relevant information from your mail server administrator. Exchange settings vary from company to company, so if you have any trouble with this next step, please speak with your mail server administrator. To set up Exchange email, tap the menu button, then tap Settings, Accounts and Sync, then Add Account. Here you'll tap the corporate icon, but notice also that this is where you can set up any social media accounts too. Now enter your work email address and password and tap Next. Then add your Exchange server settings. There are a number of fields available, but you only need to enter the information your mail server administrator has provided. Make sure that Accept all SSL certificates is ticked, then tap Next. Now browse email settings and tap Next. Name your account or just tap Done. Bluetooth offers you fast, reliable wireless connectivity over short distances from your Defy XT. This can be up to 10 meters, and you can use it to link many different types of device, like car kits, music headphones and headsets. To activate Bluetooth, tap the menu button, then Settings, then Wireless and Networks. Scroll down to Bluetooth Settings and tick to turn Bluetooth on. A scan for nearby devices will start automatically. Now tick Discoverable. This makes your Defy XT visible to other Bluetooth devices for 2 minutes to enable you to pair with one. Scroll down the list of scanned devices until you see the Bluetooth device you wish to pair with and tap on it. Check the PIN number matches and accept the pairing request on both devices. You may need to follow specific device instructions for the Bluetooth device you are pairing with, as every model is unique. The last feature we'll cover is power management, so that you can extend the life of your battery and stay connected for longer. Decreasing the brightness of your screen helps save power. Tap the apps icon, then tap Settings, then Display, and now Brightness. Tap to turn automatic brightness off, then drag the point from right to left to adjust the brightness, and tap OK. You can also change the length of time it takes for the screen backlight to switch off when your Defy XT is inactive. Tap Screen Timeout, then select a shorter time to save power. When you're not using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS, make sure these features are switched off to extend the life of your battery. Scroll to the home screen, which shows the power control widget, and just tap to turn these applications off or back on again. You're now well on your way to discovering even more on your Motorola Defy XT. Have a look through the menus and explore the applications to get this great smartphone doing the things you need it to. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become.